try to come out here as often as possible and feed the birds and the squirrels. They're most grateful, you can tell, and stuff. Yeah. I put down all types of seeds, sunflower seeds, pecans, pecan nuts, Brazil nuts, walnuts, peanuts. There was some on this side, but I don't know where he went. Oh, there goes the little squirrel. He's the one taking all the nuts and he's burying them. You see, he has the peanut. I think he's gonna open that one though. That's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Just love them so much. Not a lot of people feed them though. Sucks.